Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. Here today to talk to you folks about the Sea Ray 2019 brand new 400 SLX. Let's start at the back of the boat with one of the cooler features on the boat. Has a hydraulic platform right here that'll sink down underneath the water. You can sit here, you can sit on the platform, dangle your feet in the water, swim on and off of it. It's just a really nice, fun feature to get on and off the boat and utilize the back of the boat. As we move forward this way, we've got a really nice lounger here. You can put 6 adults comfortably on the back, no problem. And then we've got the sure shade that comes all the way out, covers the entire seating area along with the hard top, so the whole cockpit area can be in the shade if you want it. And if you don't, you can just slide it back and get plenty of sun for everybody. As we move around, one of the nice features is I can take this, I can slide it open. Now I can lounge this way, and you want to lounge this way because this here is hydraulic, and this will lay all the way down and extend out into the water. Very cool platform. So a great addition. So far, the response to this has been fantastic. So nice feature. You'll see all the teak on here as well. So let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 400. Stunning boat. It's an excellent as far as size. I mean, entertaining. It's got huge seating all the way around. A beautiful teak table. And when you're not underway and you're just hanging out, having drinks and hors d'oeuvres and just hanging out, you've got a full circle of seating area, which is absolutely fantastic. Over here, you've got a great entertaining. You've got dual grills, dual electric grills. These grills are absolutely fantastic. They're Kenyans. You've got a stainless steel sink with a nice faucet. You've got the refrigerator. You've got storage, everything right here. So as far as entertaining, all you need right here. So as we move up to the helm, you've got twin GPSs, and you've got if I can have different things on here. I can have one in tight, one out further, that type of thing. And then we've got the digital throttle and shift, and then we got the joystick. The joystick is fantastic for docking. If I'm coming into a sideways slip, I just move it like this. This boat will go sideways directly in, and when I go to leave, it'll go directly out. It has skyhook. I can hit that, and we'll lock this boat through GPS into a set position for as long as you want, which is great for getting ready to dock or sunset. And then it has an auto heading, which is an autopilot. You hit it, you can point it at Key West, and you're going to go straight there. You don't even have to drive the boat. So fantastic. So great helm. And then the cabin down below is absolutely fantastic. You're set up right now. You've got a table that will come up and down as well. You can turn that into a bed. And we also have a bed in the mid cabin as well with a full stand-up head. So if you want to stay overnight, this is a great weekender boat to do that. You can do it comfortably. And for a day boat, which this is considered, having that overnight capability is great. As we move to the bow, set up very nicely. 3 great seats in the front, rails to hold on to as you go. Plenty of sound up here, and then you've got the forward area here. You've got your stainless steel windlass right that you easily and hidden, so it's not a trip or a danger area there. This boat is brand new. Just got it in. It's off the charts. It does everything very well. It's got diesel engines in it, so it's quieter as far as noise, and it just does everything well. So if you're interested in having any more questions on it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.